Hello, this is Hardball Retro, and today's game we'll be featuring is MicroLeague Baseball 3, the Manager's Challenge. This is the IBM PC version. This was also published for the Amiga. This title was released back in 1991. As the 3 in the title would indicate, this was the third iteration of MicroLeague Baseball. So let's get into the main menu here. We're going to do P to play game, and we're going to play the 65 Los Angeles Dodgers versus the 62 San Francisco Giants. Visitors will be handled by the computer. We're going to leave that as Dodger Stadium. No designated hitter. Animate plays, yes. Normal menus. Play normal. Start game. There we go. Okay. Now this game is the graphics are updated as opposed to the first and second editions of this game looked very similar. Yeah, we'll go Koufax. Sure. Done. Now, I know Sanford had a great year, but I want to see Marichal pitching here. Okay, there we go. Done. Lineup I'm going to leave alone, I think. Leave that as is. Maybe we'll try to pinch hit later or something. Done. McCovey on the bench, huh? Well, we are facing the lefty, so that might be a good pinch hitting opportunity. Done. All right. Now, I know I elected to play at San Francisco, but I believe by default it comes with Dodger Stadium. So I probably should have flip-flopped that, but I didn't. So here we go. So as opposed to the original MicroLeague and the sequel, the third edition has your options listed right on the screen here. So I've got Marichal pitching. So I'm the blue side here. This is the red side. So if this was me versus another human, you'd see their menu options over here, left-hand corner. Got your scoreboard on the top. All right, so for now, I'm just going to do 6 to pitch. All right, there we go. And let's say curveball. I fly to right center. Philippe Alou makes the catch. Okay, Ron Fairley. Change up. Checks his swing. It's too high. Ball 4. He walks. All right, so runner on first for LA. First baseman's going to hold the base runner. And we are going to pitch to Jim Gilliam. Fastball. Grounder to Chuck Hiller. Routine throw to first. Just got him. Barely made it down to second. So we got 2 away. Runner on second. Lou Johnson. Curveball. Oh, base hit up the middle. Mays cuts it off. Okay, let's try a slider to Jim Lefevre. Oh, there's a base hit. So runners at first and third, and 1-0 Willie Davis, fastball. Grounds it to first, throws over to the pitcher covering, and that's 3 outs. And I forgot the whole running off the field deal, so although that's fairly quick, I don't know if we need to turn that off. Let's see. R, no running. There we go. Just like the old game. That eliminates the running in and out of the dugout after the inning. All right, so right now, swing away. Ground out. So here's Harvey Keene. Oh, a little blooper into left center, cut off by Willie Davis. But we do have a base runner at least. Alou. Now we have options: hit behind the runner, swing away, hit and run. And we're facing Koufax. Let's just swing away for now. Ooh. Double play. Okay. So Marichal on the mound, down 1-0 in the second. Wes Parker's up, change up. And another leadoff walk. Johnny Roseboro. From the heater. Oh, Wes Parker still on base. Okay. Pitch. Slider. Grounded to first. Throws over to the pitcher covering. That's an out. Koufax is up. We got 1 out. Koufax up. Let's do position the infield. Infield in. Now we're going to pitch. I'm going to throw him a slider. And Koufax dunks one into right field for a base hit and an RBI single. Okay, leadoff man Maury Wills is up. We're going to throw him a heater. Struck him out. Ron Fairley, the batter. Curveball. He bounces back to Marichal for the final out. All right, say hey Willie Mays, swinging away at a fastball. Nope. Draws the walk. All right, we got some speed on first. Cepeda's up. He is gonna swing away. Curveball. Oh. Okay, fielder's choice. Cepeda on first. Tom Haller. Swing away. Strike 3. Lefty on lefty there. Koufax is a tough matchup for anybody. Jim Davenport's up. Bounding ball through the left side. Lou Johnson cuts it off. Jose Pagan. Rounding towards third. Out at first. All right. So we're down 2-zip. Jim Gilliam's up. Change up. Bouncer first. Throws to the pitcher covering and just got him. And that brings up Lou Johnson. Curveball. Pagan throws him out at first. Jim Lefevre. Slider. Struck him out. Okay, batting is Marichal against Koufax. Swing away. Fastball. Struck him out. And around the horn he goes. All right, Chuck Hiller batting with 1 out. Oh, long fly to right. Fairley hauls it in at the warning track. Nice catch by Ron Fairley. 2 down, Harvey Keene. Long drive to deep left center, I would say. Willie Davis makes the catch. And here's Willie Davis against Marichal. 4th inning. Slider. Okay. Gets the ground out. Wes Parker. Fastball. Strike 3. Swing and a miss. Throw it around the horn. John Roseborough strolls to the dish. Here's a changeup. Whacks it into right for a base hit. Cut off by a Lou. And Koufax is up with 2 outs. Runner on first. Oh, he walks him. That's rough. All right. Maury Wills, first and second, 2 down. Let's try specialty pitch. And we got the grounder to first for the out. All right. So we've got Felipe Alou up. Felipe. Okay. Grounded up the middle. Fielded by Wills. Got him. Willie Mays. Oh, whacks that one down the line. Lou Johnson pulls it in. Okay, got to see the scrolling effect for the first time there. That was neat. Cepeda, bounder up the middle, scooped up by Wills. Cepeda's out at first. Yeah, typical Koufax, 2-hitter through 4. Marichal behind, 2-zip. Fairley, let's challenge him. Fastball. Struck him out. Gilliam, curveball. Bouncer back to the mound. Marichal fires to first. Easy out. Lou Johnson. Changeup. Grounded to third. Davenport scoops. Fires strong peg to first. Just got him. Side retired. Tom Howler facing Koufax. Grounds out to second. Jim Davenport. Swing. Fastball. Gone. At the knees for strike 3. Side is retired. And we go top of 6. Dodgers lead 2-0. Marichal is going to remain in here so far. Fastball. Easy fly to right center. Mays pulls it in. Willie Davis. Specialty pitch. Struck him out. Wes Parker. Oh, grounded up the middle. Clean single to center. 2-out base hit. And I know he's not going anywhere, but let's just try. Pick off. Okay. Grounded up the middle. Fires to first. Got him for the out. Side retired. Giants come to the bat. Now Marichal. So we've got a decision to make here. And since we're trailing 2-0, let's see what our pinch hit options are. Lineup. And we can do. Let's go to Manny Moda. So we want to do E. Drag. There we go. Sorry, it's been a while, folks, me doing this particular game. So J to pinch hit, K to pinch run. J. Yes. No. That didn't seem to do the trick. Maybe I have to specify. There we go. I have to click in down here where he was going to replace, who he was going to replace. There we go. Okay. Manny Moda. And after all that, let's see if we can produce a run off of this somehow. That looks like it didn't work out for us. Moda down on strikes. So here's Hiller. Oh, booming fly to deep right. Willie Davis holds it in. Well, they say to deep right, but it's the center fielder who flagged it down. Maybe call it right center, but Harvey Keene. Curveball. We guessed curveball. We got the fastball. All right. Now, we batted for Marichal, so therefore we have to replace him. We didn't put anybody in the bullpen, so oops. Let's get somebody in here temporarily. Let's go with the stats here. Duffalo, 42 innings, 3.64 ERA. Sure. Right. There we go. And Let's warm up. Oh, no, he's a. Never mind, not Pierce. Bolin. Yeah, let's warm up Bolin. There we go. Done. All right. Koufax is batting. High fly to center. Olu makes the catch. Koufax is putting the bat on the ball today, in addition to hurling a 2-hit shutout through 6 anyway. Maury Wills. Curveball. Hiller's out. I mean, Hiller threw him out. Fairley's up. Change up. I'm out. So Duffalo comes in. Seventh inning stretch. And let's go to the bullpen. Yeah. Is he still warming up? No. All right. Yeah. Get bowling up. Done. Swing away. Fastball. Bouncer to third. Gilliam scoops. Throws him out. Willie Mays. Swing away. Oh, he drills that one. Lou Johnson makes the catch. Orlando Cepeda. You know what? I just want to go to the bullpen. Let's see how Bolin is doing here. He is warm. So we're going to put him in the game for Duffalo. Done. Done. And swing away. Base hit by Cepeda. 2-out hit. Tom Haller is up. Still have lefty-lefty matchup, so what are our options here? Ed Bailey's also a lefty. Haller. We're going to let him hit. I have faith in you, Tom Haller. And he bounces out to first for the final out of the inning. So we're through 7. Dodgers lead 2-0. We've got Gilliam, Johnson, and we do have Bolin on the mound now. So fastball to Gilliam. Grounds out to second. Lou Johnson, the batter. Change up. Grounds it up the middle. Pagan fires to first. Got him. 2 down. Jim LaFever. Slider. Struck him out. All right. Jim Davenport. And we've just not done anything against Koufax, but that is kind of to be expected here. Let's do swing away. Slider. Strike 3. And I do see Bolin is on deck, so let's get somebody up in our bullpen. Don Larson with a 4.4 ERA. McCormick, 5.36 ERA, not so hot that year. Gaylord Perry, 5.23 ERA, was not the Gaylord Perry, future Hall of Famer at that point, obviously. We have Stu Miller. It is a close game, 4.12 ERA. I think the rest of these guys are basically starters. Well, let's get him warming up. Done. Because we are going to bat for Bolin, definitely. Swing away. And drives it down the left field line. Caught by Lee Johnson. Nice grab. And Bolin will not be batting here. Lineup. 2 down, nobody on. We're not going to waste McCovey here. So Johnny Orsino, 271 average, 48 at-bats versus lefties. Okay. Bowman, 190, not so hot. Bowles, 375. Sure. Why not? Pinch hitter. There we go. Done. And swing, fastball. And he struck out. Didn't matter. Koufax is on his game today, obviously. Right. And we see Bolin is tired there, so that was a good move. Miller, put in game. There. Done. Done. All right. Willie Davis. Fastball. Grounds it to first. Somebody scoops it unassisted. Play at first for the out. Here's Wes Parker. Changeup. Strike 3 at the knees. So Stu Miller. So far, so good. Keeping it close. Curveball to Roseboro. Knocks that one into right for a clean single. Koufax batting. He's leaving him in, obviously. We can't get Koufax out at the plate today. Slider. Base hit. He's just determined to win this ball game, isn't he? All right, Maury Wills. 2 down. Let's give him the fastball. Socks it in the center. Willie Mays makes the catch. So here we go. Bottom 9. Hiller. Keene. I think Alou after that. So swing away. Fastball. Oh, there's one down the line. Right. Fairley makes the catch in the corner. Nice grab there. Swing away. Bounces it back to Koufax for the second out. Now, normally I would not bat for Alou, but I do want to get McCovey in the game because I don't know. I don't want to leave McCovey on my bench here. So there we go. Done. Done. So here comes stretch. Lefty, lefty. I don't care. It's still McCovey. And he grounds out second for the final. ball game. Let's look at the box score here. 2-7-0 for the Dodgers, 0-3-0 for San Fran. View print box score. All right, so we get the old newspaper style box score, and it actually squeezes everything onto one page here. We just have a scroll bar to go through here. Well, let's look at this page first anyway. So Roseboro and Koufax, couple of hits. Koufax RBI, Lefevre RBI, that's it. And San Fran only scratched out a hit by Keene, Cepeda, Davenport. The old 3 for 29 game. So scroll down a bit. Dodgers, 1 run in the first, 1 run in the second. That's all Koufax needed. Koufax goes the distance on the 3-hitter. 1 walk, 7 Ks. For the Giants, Marichal, 6 innings, 5 hits, 2 earned, 3 walks, 5 Ks. Not too bad, but just bad enough to lose. You've got the umpires listed here. Time of game, which is not the actual time of game. It's just what they randomly say this game actually took, and also a random attendance number. And that's basically it. So if we close out of here, done, and we're back to the main screen. So that wraps up the MicroLeague 3, the Manager's Challenge, and hope to see you next time. Until then, keep playing ball, and this is Hardball Retro signing off. Take care.